Hello, good evening. Today I am going to teach trigonometry. So before starting trigonometry, I just want to give a small description about trigonometry. First I am going to tell what is trigonometry. Trigonometry is that branch of mathematics which provides the relationship between lines and angles of a triangle. Okay. So basically trigonometry is consisting of three words. That is three Greek words. That is tri, gona and metry. Okay. So what is the meaning of tri, what is the meaning of gon, and what is the meaning of metry? Okay, tri means three, gon means sides, and the meaning of metry is measure. So this is the meaning of trigon. This is the meaning of trigonometry. So this is three sides measure. Okay. So I think now you have a clear idea about trigonometry. That what we are going to do in trigonometry. Okay. So in trigonometry, I just said that it provides a relationship between lines and the angles of a triangle. So here we are going to consider right angle triangle. So before starting trigonometry or right angle triangle, I just want to give a brief idea about right angle triangle. So what is right angle triangle? Right angle triangle, it is a type of triangle in which the one angle should be 90 degree. Okay, so this is what a right angle triangle look like. So this is right angle triangle. So here right angle triangle. Now I am going to nomenclature that this right angle triangle. This is called as base. This is called as hypotenuse, and this is called as perpendicular. So perpendicular or height. In short, you can symbolize perpendicular as P, hypotenuse as H, and base as B. Here V as 90 degree. Okay. So this is a right angle triangle. So in trigonometry, we will consider right angle triangle. So by considering this right angle triangle, now I am going to write some trigonometrical identity ratios. Okay, so these ratios are sin theta, cosine theta, tangent theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, and last but not the least, cotangent theta. Okay, so these are the 6 trigonometrical identities ratios that we are going to study in trigonometry. Okay, so what is this theta? Before going to this trigonometrical identities ratios, what is theta? Like theta it is a Greek symbol. Okay, and here we will use theta as one acute angle. You can take either C as theta or A as theta. So now I am going to consider C as theta. So C as theta. So by considering angle C as theta, I am going to explain you what is base, what is perpendicular or height, or what is hypotenuse. Okay. So here theta and base. So what is base? What is base? Base means, what is base? Base means the line which is adjacent to theta. The line which is adjacent to theta is called as base, and here BC is adjacent to angle theta. So BC is you can take BC as base, and the angle which is opposite to theta, the side which is opposite to theta, that is angle C, is called as perpendicular or height. Okay, this is P, and the maximum side which is opposite to this 90-degree angle B is called as hypotenuse. Okay, so by taking this, by using this theta and H, P and B, now I am going to write the formula for identity ratios, that are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Okay, so first I have written all the full forms of that identity ratios. Now I am going to use short terms that are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. So what is the formula for sin theta? For sin theta it is P by H, perpendicular by hypotenuse. So what is P? P is AB and H is AC. Okay, and what is cos theta? Cos theta is B by H. B by H. What is B? Base. Base by hypotenuse. B base. So BC. BC by hypotenuse is AC. Okay, and tan theta is equals to P by B. Tan theta is equals to P by B. So P perpendicular, that is AB, and B is BC. So these are the three main identity ratios that you have to remember, and by using these three identities you can find the formula for other three identities. How? That sin theta. Okay, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Now I am going to write, that is cosec theta, formula for cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Okay, so let me erase this. Now I am going to write for like cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. So cosec theta, which is the reciprocal of sin theta. So 1 by, here we can write 1 by sin theta, here we can write cosec theta 1 by cos theta, 1 by cos theta, and cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So in sin theta, we know the formula for sin theta is P by H. So in place of sin theta, we can write P by H. So 1 by P by H. So ultimately the formula for cosec theta is H by P. For 1 by B by H, which is ultimately H by B. And for cot theta, we know that for tan theta, 1 by P by B, it is B by P. So these are the formula for the 6 trigonometrical identities, ratios. So thank you. बंद कर